feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Wet coughs clear mucus from your lungs. Using cough suppressants can trap mucus and increase infection risk. Instead, try expectorants. They loosen mucus so you can cough it up naturally. Always read labels carefully and consult a healthcare professional before use.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.